This is a training about Super Snack paperwork. There are two documents used for Super Snack. The first is the Meal Service Record Super Snack section. This Meal Service Record lists the Super Snack menu for the day in blue. This document also lists the number of Super Snack bags received, leftover, and served. There is also an area for you to document what leftovers are served. This is the second document, the Super Snack Cooler Laminated Sign. The laminated sign has a space to record the date and place to record the amount available. Super Snack is a 2-week cycle, meaning the same menu is served every 2 weeks. For the purpose of this training, we will be going through a week's worth of Super Snacks so we can see how these documents are used throughout the week. Let's start with Monday. You can see they received 2 trays of Super Snack plus 8 meals. Each tray contains 16 meals. You can validate this by looking at the shipping unit listed on the meal service record. To determine the total amount received, take 2 times 16, which is 2 trays of 16, plus 8 for the additional 8 meals. That equals 40. That 40 is then recorded onto the meal service record for Monday, under the number received for the cereal meal. For the purpose of this example, we are saying that they had 0 meals left over from the Friday before, so the leftover meal area will be left blank. You then put 40 onto the Super Snack laminated sign under Monday using a dry erase marker. This sign is placed in the snack tub for the days on top of the snacks. This sign tells the after-school snack staff that they have 40 meals available for snack that day. On Tuesday, when the food service aide returns, they would count the number of Super Snacks left over from Monday and record that amount in the leftover column on Monday's meal service record. To calculate the number served, take the number received minus the number leftover. Therefore, 40 minus 16 equals 24. 24 meals were served on Monday. Since we have 16 cereal meals left over, we need to immediately record the number left over on Tuesday's meal service record. Record 16 meals here, then write the type. So they will be starting Tuesday with 16 cereal meals. On the pick ticket for Tuesday, they received 3 full trays and 2 meals. Since each tray contains 16 meals, we need to take 16 times 3 and then add 2 extra meals. That equals 50. They received 50 total Super Snack meals. So that 50 is recorded onto Tuesday's meal service record under the chips and dip bundle in the number received column. On the sign, since we had 16 meals left over, change the Monday amount to 16. So the after-school snack staff knows there are 16 cereal meals left over. Now, in the Tuesday box, place 50 in the box as we receive 50 today. Again, that way the after-school snack staff know there are 50 chips and dip meals and a total of 66 meals available. On Wednesday, you will count the number of Super Snacks left over from the night before. They had 5 leftover chips and dip and then 0 leftover cereal meals. Do the math to calculate the amount of meals served. In this example, we served 45 chips and dip meals, which I got from subtracting 50 minus 5, and they also served 16 cereal meals. Immediately record the number left over and the type of leftover meal on Wednesday's meal service record in the leftover Super Snack area. In our example, we had 5 leftover chips and dip meals. On the pick ticket for Wednesday, they received 3 full trays again and 2 meals. Let's do the math again to get that 3 full trays plus 2 meals equals 50 total PB&J bag meals. Record that 50 under Wednesday's meal service record in the area for the PB&J bag. On the laminated sign, since we had 5 chips and dip meals left over, change the Tuesday amount to 5. This way, the after-school staff know that there are 5 chips and dip meals left over. Now, in the Wednesday box, place 50 in there, as we received 50 meals today. Again, that way the after-school snacks staff know there are 50 peanut butter and jelly meals and a total of 55 meals available. On Thursday, when the food service aide returns to work, they will count the number of super snacks left over. There are 2 leftover chips and dip and 7 leftover PB&J meals. Do the math to calculate the amount of meals served. In this example, we served 43 peanut butter and jelly meals, which I got by subtracting 50 minus 7, and they also served 3 chip and dip meals, which I got by 5 minus 2. Immediately record the number left over and the type of leftover meal on Thursday's meal service record in the leftover super snack area. In our example, we had 2 leftover chips and dip meals and 7 peanut butter and jelly meals. On the pig ticket for Thursday, they received 3 full trays and 2 meals. We know by doing the math that they received 50 total meals. Record that 50 under Thursday's meal service record in the area for the yogurt and cracker bag. On the laminated sign, record the amounts we had left over, which was 2 chips and dip meals and 7 peanut butter and jelly meals. Again, this way the after-school snack staff know what is available. In the Thursday box, place 50 in the box, as we received 50 today. Therefore, we have a total of 59 snacks available. On Friday, when the food service aide returns to work and they count the number of super snacks left over, there was 15 leftover yogurt meals and 0 other meals. Do the math to calculate the amount of meals served. We served 35 total yogurt meals and all 9 leftover meals. Again, go to Friday's meal service record and record the number left over and the type of leftover on the meal service record in the leftover super snack area. So we had 15 leftover yogurt meals. On Friday is finally here, and according to the pig ticket, we received 2 full trays and 8 meals. 2 full trays of 16 plus 8 gives us 40 total PB&J Dipper super snack meals. Record that 40 meals we received today under Friday's meal service record in the area for PB&J Dipper. On the laminated sign, record the amount we had left over, which was 15 yogurt and cracker meals. Again, this way the after-school snack staff know what is available. In the Friday box, record 40 in the box, as we received 40 today. Therefore, we have a total of 55 snacks available. When a school has super snack, they do not turn in their meal service records on Friday. Super snack schools turn in meal service records on Mondays. Because on Monday, you count the amount left over on Friday and record it onto Friday's meal service record, as I've been showing you. So, on Monday, we had 0 leftover yogurt meals and 13 leftover PB&J Dipper meals. Do the math to determine how many meals were served, which is 27 PB&J Dipper meals and 15 yogurt meals. You would then put the amount and type of leftover meals onto the Monday's meal service record. Once again, you would record the leftover amounts from Friday on the laminated sheet and then the amounts of super snacks delivered on Monday. Again, this way the people serving the amount of super snacks know every day what is available. Order high on high attendance days. Super snack monitors the Latchkey program has the most attendance on Wednesday. Order more service records during the visit. You can also order high when shelf-stable meals are on the menu. Please leave them where they can be found. Meals will allow for backups. Call FPC when you start getting a lot of meals piling up, meals that have not yet been served. FPC can cancel upcoming orders to use up those leftovers. Monitor the expiration dates of the super snack bags and the items in the bags. Utilize the Satellite Use and Return book. It contains the super snack use and return list as well as the share table reuse list. If you have any questions about Super Snack, please call your Nutrition Services supervisor.